Now, as we are discussing the MEO class 1 orals now, so in the orals actually it is covering all the latest development. We should be aware of what all things are happening, what all convention are happening, what all amendments are happening, and all that means through the entire syllabus of the MEO class 1 written, orals can be picked up from any part of that syllabus including your latest development. So we have to be prepared for that one. Now, here we will discuss how the full pattern of MEO class 1 exam is. We have already gone through this one, that first we have to give a written, then written will have all these topics mainly like regulatory aspects, ship operation and commercial and legal aspect, then we have human resource, we have technical management and the latest technical development. However, all this is not exclusive. So as we discussed, we have given the link for the MEO class 1 entire syllabus. So the written can be formed from any part of the syllabus including the latest development. So we have a 3-hour written paper in which we have, normally they give us 9 questions and we have to answer 6 questions. So the passing marks actually is not written anywhere, but it is expected that you at least score 50% in there, right? So we have to appear for at least 6 questions. We cannot skip one question at all, that if you appear for 5 questions you are straight away fail. So we have to appear the number of questions that has been asked. If we have to ask 6 questions, we have to answer all those 6 questions, and the percentage passing marks is generally 50% for the written and normally 60 to 70% for the orals, right? Now the orals will be based on the theoretical aspect of the syllabus of engineering management course, right? So as we discussed, the oral can be covered from the entire syllabus anywhere including the latest development. Passing marks, as we already discussed, it is more than 60%, but again it depends upon your luck. Maybe the surveyor is favoring you, he can pass you even on lesser percentage. Now, as we are discussing this, so how do we prepare for MEO class 1 COC exam, right? And where to find the previous year papers, and where should you start, when you should start, basically preparation, and how much time is enough. See, this is all very subjective, especially this one, where you should start and how much time. It is all very subjective. I may be a student that if I study for 1 hour, it is a full productive 1 hour. I may be another student, I study for 10 hours, but the productive hours is just 1 hour. So it will depend upon your understanding. You need to cover the entire syllabus and you need to have that confidence that yes, you can appear for the written and you can answer the question in the orals. So that is there. Now, how to prepare? First thing is previous year question. That is the what you call trick for each examination, not just MEO, for others also. You check what has been previously asked. So topic wise preparation. Then you need to practice diagram. So if the questions are there which requires diagram, you need to practice that. We cannot make mistakes in the diagram, right? Always draw out the diagram, even not asked. So if you, as we said, a picture can tell a story much better than what your words can express. So if you can answer a question in the form of a drawing or something, then it will be helpful. Then frame answer in your own word. Do not just copy paste from some of the books or somewhere. Just frame your answer so that it is easy to understand for the surveyor also, that what you are trying to convey. Now, for the orals, as we said, group studies is the key. So nowadays the group studies is no more possible. However, this telegram kind of a thing comes to our help. The search for the new question actively being asked. So you find like what are the new questions being asked in different MMDs and all. Watch for others answer, not just your own. Just see how others are answering, what they are answering, what point they have covered. So that will help you there. But this does not mean that you will spend your entire time on Telegram itself, that 8 hours a day you are studying and 6 hours you are on Telegram. So no, that is not going to help you. Then the syllabus is very vast. As we already said, the syllabus is very vast and there is a lot of study material available, which is correct, incorrect, and so many things are going on. So you need to have your own strategy. You need to discuss with your close friends, and topic wise you can do. So important questions you can discuss there, right? Now, where to find the previous year question paper? We already know diesel ship, and on Google you will find for free. Now, you get only questions, whereas with the payment you get the answers as well. Although those answers are not that well structured and all, nevertheless you can still get an idea about the answers. Now, When you should start your preparation and how much time is enough? Again, as I said, this is very subjective. Some people, they clear even in just 1 month of study, some take years to study. So it depends upon your entire study. And as for me, if you ask what I did, I was studying around 8 to 10 hours each day, and I was studying for almost 3 months. However, as we are discussing about the practice strategy and studies and what all to study, I want to inform you that we have a MEO class 1 package which we have specially designed for the aspirants who are appearing for MEO class 1. It will help them in their journey. It has been designed in such a way that it is easy to understand, and it is designed from a student's perspective, right? How I want my teacher to explain me. So that's how I have tried to explain the topics in that video. You can purchase that from our platform. It is not very expensive and it is very helpful. It will come handful when you are preparing for MEO class 1. Thank you so much for your support.